Hi, I've got a fun little carrot harvest for you today. This is container carrots, and it's a variety called Parisian market carrot. And it's a little one that's about maybe 1.5 to 2 inches in diameter. And I had a grow tub that was available during the winter. It was just empty. And I thought, well, I'm going to try these little babies. They're just like little bites, and I take one every now and then just to nibble in the garden. They rarely make it in the house. It's a fun little carrot, and we're going to show you a harvest. Two different versions of the harvest. One was direct sown, and one was transplanted from the direct sown. So I have not peeked at the transplanted ones yet. We're going to see what the difference is, if any. Let's go over and show you this little carrot. It's a French heirloom, and it's really fun to grow. So for those of you that don't know my grow tubs, these are have about 18 of these, and they're about 2 foot by 3 foot by 8 inches. And this is one of the tubs I had available. And at that time, I didn't have enough soil to fill the tub. So I only filled it around the margins. And then when I got soil, get my chair here, I filled in the middle. So when I first put these seeds in, I just did this row here about 10 inches and about 10 inches here, because this part was empty. And then, oh, I gotta take my sunglasses off so I can see you. And then once the carrots were growing really well and I had all this soil in here, I thought, well, I'm gonna try and just transplant them. And so I did. So we're going to actually have a harvest for you today. And I'm really excited to see what the transplanted ones look like. But here's a peek at them. And they're small. And I'm gonna tell you at the end whether I would grow them again. You see whether you think you would grow them again. But they're fun. And they're really sweet and delicious. So we are just gonna sit here, and I'm going to put them over here, and then I'll rinse them off. And let's go for some of the bigger ones over here. Here we go. I've taken some of the smaller ones just so I could save you some of the bigger ones to see. Look at, aren't they cute? Like little walnut size. Ooh, oh my gosh, that's a big one. That's bigger than any that I've seen so far. I did not anticipate that. Okay, here comes some more. And they're just fun. I need this tray, so that's why I decided to go pull them all today. And I love eating cooked carrots, raw carrots, every version, snacking, salads. Here's some more. Oh, wow, they're way bigger than I thought they were. Because like I said, I've been pulling the teeny ones. Oh my gosh. I might rethink this. Look at this. They're all really nice. And this is about the size they're supposed to get. Some of them are a little bit smaller. Sorry, I don't have a tripod today. The leg broke. So I'm having to do this by hand. I know I say that in a lot of videos, but it's hard to have all my camera equipment ready at the same time as doing my gardening. Those are some good ones. Now this is the biggest one I thought we were going to get. But it's turned out it's not even the biggest one. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a good size one. Oh, this is so fun. It's like digging for treasure. I may not pull them all out, yeah, because there's a lot here, but I want to get to the transplanted ones here in a second. So let's pull out this whole corner. Oh, that feels big. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's just a lot of roots. Okay, now let's get to some of the transplanted ones. Let me get my drip irrigation out of here. Oopsie, pulled one out, little baby one. Okay, so let's get to the middle section. We'll start down here. A lot of people have this myth that you can't transplant carrots, and those of us that have been winter sowing in milk jugs forever, we know that you absolutely can transplant them, and they do just fine. Okay, here we go. First transplanted one. Oh, nice roots. Look at that. Interesting. Why that one has more roots? Because it was transplanted. I can't figure that one out. Still, it's going to be a delicious, perfect carrot. So let's take another one. This is a transplant. Perfect. And another one. Equally perfect. So they're all looking really good. And again, don't be disappointed by the size. That's what they're supposed to look like for this Parisian market variety. Huh, I'm liking that. Okay, let's take a couple more. Oh, I've been eyeing this one, but saved it just so you could see it. Here's another transplanted one. They have a different look to them. Oh, bugs. Can't really describe it, but stronger greens on top. Nice one. This is going to be a tiny one, yep. This might be a big one. See how it has more greens coming off the top? Oh, yeah. Really good. Okay, one or two more. Oh, that's got a lot of stem right there. Okay. So I am absolutely thrilled with the outcome. I'm going to save some of them. Oh, that's a celery right there, by the way, and a Swiss chard back there that kind of got lost in the mix. Because I still like to nibble them when I'm out here. But you can see this bed is just filled with them. Oh, I just pulled another one out by accident. Actually, I'm curious about this one because this one looks like it's actually going to seed. But it shouldn't be because they're biennial. Carrots don't go to seed till the second year. But that's what they look like when they're going to seed. They get a nice big stalk up the middle. You know what? I'm not going to pull it because in case it is going to seed, I've had them in for quite a while. No, it's not been that long. Not several months. But that shouldn't be going to seed. But I think it is. I want to see the whole pattern of how it goes to seed. So I'm not going to pull that. So would I grow these again? Here's the thing. The taste was delicious. The outcome was really good. Let's see, I was gonna give them a good rinse just for the prettiness factor, just so you could see. Here, let's get a good shot of all of them. The taste, definite yes. The growth, you know, how well they grew in the heat. And they grew in the cool. I put them in the winter, so they grew in the cool, but they, you know, I'm in, what am I in now? May 1st. We're in the high 80s to 90s in the day and the 45, 50 at night. So anyway, they grew really well here. But here's the thing. For me, real estate is limited. And they're so small, I would rather use this tub for something deeper like beets, or my lettuces, or more onions like there, or more celery, because you can grow a lot in 8 inches. Sorry, I've got a gnat driving me crazy. But I'd rather grow big carrots for the real estate. That little spot right there that this little carrot grew in, I'd rather have a much bigger carrot so I can juice them, eat them, preserve them, save them. So I probably won't grow them again. It's kind of a novelty, but I am really excited to have grown them and to have tasted them. And I hope you enjoy seeing them. Have you ever grown this carrot? And also go down in the description and let us know what your favorite carrot is to grow. And do you grow container carrots? So you can transplant carrots. Don't forget that. Don't listen to the myth. It's great for winter sowing method in the milk jugs, which I have 100 videos on. You can look at on my winter sowing playlist. And I thank you for joining me, sending you much love from my garden to yours. See you on the next video. Bye.